Over the last 6 weeks, we have been remodeling my bathroom. Now, this bathroom was built in the 1990s with the original home, and I hadn't done any much work to it at all because I've always had in mind that I wanted to completely remodel it. So I've walked you all through demo, building my walk-in shower, and all of the mistakes that we've had with waterproofing and failing water leaks. But today we finally reached the end. The shower is complete, the floors are in, and we're finally putting in the final touches. So without further ado, let's get into today's video and finish out this bathroom. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Remodel Hands with Mia. If you're new here, my name is Samia and I do all things DIY. I'm currently in the process of renovating my bathroom. As you can see, I built this walk-in shower behind me, and today's video is the last day of the bathroom renovation. For the next few days, I'm just gonna be finishing up all the final touches, the last pieces. The vanity, the mirror is coming today. I already have the toilet, so installing that, finishing up putting in the new lights. Just all the final touches will be going in this last few days, and I'm so ready to put this bathroom to use. I actually need to also put the hardware in the shower so we can start using it. And I ordered a shower door today, so that'll be here. But today I'm gonna start painting in here. Y'all, I don't know if anybody relates, but do y'all know when you are painting behind the toilet and you can never reach back there? So you can see like there's two. So we had wallpaper originally, then I think we painted it pink, and then blue, and then white. You can see all those colors behind there. But anyway, I'm going to finally be able to get behind that wall. I have some sanding that I kind of need to do in some areas to kind of smooth everything out. So I'm gonna come in here. I am going more of a cream white color in here. I don't even know, I didn't even test it out on the wall, just kind of picked out a color when I went to Lowe's. So I'm gonna go ahead and start painting those on the wall. So let's jump into today's video. Let's get started.
Covered up the spot. It's so good, so satisfying to cover that spot up.
It's always interesting to see the wallpaper and stuff that's behind the lights. So this is the original wallpaper that we had in here. It was pink. We removed that a really long time ago. But then I ended up painting it pink, I think, again, and then we painted it blue. So all those original colors are behind this light. But I'm gonna go ahead and paint it because I believe my new texture is just like a little circle. So I need to go ahead and paint behind here. So I'm gonna allow the paint to dry for a little minute by the light before I install the new one. This one is from Generation Light. I I actually think I ordered this from Wayfair too. I ordered this right when I started doing the bathroom. So this was, I've had this for like about a month. Okay. This is gorgeous. So y'all know I usually go gold finishes all the time. So it's no surprise here. It's gorgeous, y'all. I love the finishes. It's 3 lights. It has that circle, which is why I had to kind of go ahead and paint. And then they also come with these little glass bulbs. Right here. I have 3 of those, but I think it's gonna look really good. Oh, I feel like I don't have any light bulbs. Oh, dang it. So, it's white to white, black to black. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna click the switch and see if we got light. So, let's see. Oh, I heard something pop though. Oh, that looks good. I don't know if I like this soft color though. But overall, it looks really good. It's really yellow. I might have to go and get some. What is this? This is soft white. Daylight ones. It is here. So I'm about to go ahead and unbox it. I did pull it into the bathroom so y'all can kind of see it. My scissors. Let's unbox this box. So excited, y'all. I can't. It's that time. We're wrapping up the project, opening up the final touches, which is my favorite part to do. Probably need somebody else to unbox this with me. I might get my mom help in a minute. Let me see if I can get this off. Oh gosh. Okay. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. Not be this much of a struggle. Okay, one more try, and then I'm gonna call somebody for help. Okay. I did. Look how pretty that is. Okay, never mind. Just you tilt back. Huh? I'll do it. Let me see. Is it scratching?
Mm-mm.
Good morning, y'all. I'm getting really excited because the bathroom is looking really good. I had the vanity installed, the light, everything. All of my pieces have arrived. This moved like just a few minutes ago. The shower door came in, so it's looking so well in here. So today what I'm going to do is I am going to install my baseboards, my mirror, and my toilet. And then I also need to go and find some decor to put in here because I have not found those pieces yet. I don't even really know. I feel like it can be very minimal because the bathroom speaks for itself. It's so gorgeous in here. So I'm just gonna find like a little artwork. I don't want to do any shelves in here because we already have a closet in here. So we didn't need like a lot of storage space. That wasn't like something additional that I needed. Like my mother's bathroom doesn't have any storage. So I put shelves in there so she could use that for storage. But I'm not gonna do that. I think I'm just find some good artwork. I feel like I could possibly tie in some black pieces in here, like some white and black. I don't know. I'm gonna see once I go and find what I go and find today. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and start knocking out these baseboards. Y'all, I literally hate doing tedious parts of projects. I can do like the whole shower, the big part of the project, but when it comes down to like little bitty small parts like installing the baseboards, painting the baseboards, or just like small details, I don't personally like, but I do it because I need it to look good. So let's go ahead and install these and get it done, and then we'll be ready to go. You ready? Mm-hmm. Wait. This guy.
I don't even know if it's hooked.
It's hooked. Ta-da!
Ooh, that's so cute.
Oh my gosh. Y'all. Let me show y'all. Look at this mirror. I gotta take this piece of film off. Huh? You said you wouldn't do it yet? Why not? Okay, like the whole back. That's so cute. Okay, y'all, good morning. me and my sister are getting ready to put in the shower door. I put in the shower head this morning. So right now, we're about to put in the shower door. I was watching some tutorials on it and it looked a little hard. We were a little nervous. So I've already put all like the hinges and everything on there. We're gonna bring it in, mark where we need to drill into the wall. I bought these little bits from, I think, Home Depot. I got these from Home Depot yesterday. It's a towel bit to drill into towel. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna start with the smaller one first for the anchors, but I'm thinking I'm going directly into a stud, so we'll see. Y'all, the doors are heavy too. Should came in the other way. Go into the shower. Start standing. Well,
Mia, you was choking me again. Move your leg and then you push it to stand up. Since there's some, move your leg. Okay, now let's try to lift it to put it on this thing now.
1, 2.
Okay.
2, 3.
Oh! Okay. Whew. My oohs ain't fit either. Okay. You got your foot? Yeah. Just a moment. Okay. Okay, come on.
Oh man, we did it. In the moment everybody's been waiting for, here is the bathroom, y'all. I love every ounce of this bathroom. Like, this is my style. This is everything that I've wanted in my bathroom, and I finally got it. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. If you have any questions, I will be doing a video next week on the budget, and I'll answer your questions below, so make sure you leave those in the comments. I'll see you all next week. Bye.